Right, unboxing the OEDRO Honda Civic mats. We have the rear mat here for the trunk. And it fits perfectly. Driver's side mat. Look at that, fits like a glove in here. And screw this part onto the back so it latches on to your little attachment right here to keep your floor mat in place. There we are, just snaps into the back, and you can put this in and then turn it, and that looks really nice right there. And next we have the passenger side, like a glove. And the rear seat mat. And that fits nicely right there. Just like that. So these are definitely going to help if you spill anything or get, you know, people sit in your back seat, spill a drink or have mud on their boots or something like that. Real easy to just clean that out. You just pull them out, hose them off if they get too dirty. It looks really nice, super helpful too in keeping your car clean. And thanks for watching.